So I chose CSU because of its strong foundation with pre-med students. I am preparing to go to med school, and when I looked at the curriculum at Cleveland State University, it aligned so much with my program that I'm going to take in med school. It has prepared me to take all the prerequisite courses along with my major, as I'm majoring in biology. So as long as with my other courses, I'm doing all the prerequisites that I needed for the med school as well. I used the Task, the tutoring services. I also used Math Learning Center. We have a really nice math learning center here at CSU, which helps a lot of students who struggle with classes like statistics, calculus. My experience has been great. CSU has a lot of diversity. There are students from everywhere, all around the world. I have met so many people from different countries, and we all share our cultures with each other, and everybody is so friendly here. So my experience was really good. I have grown a lot because CSU has given me a lot of opportunities. As I progressed through the years in my undergrad, I had come with a lot of opportunities like speaking in student panels, in fall visit days, spring open house. The opportunities that I got here at CSU have made me so much confident and have made my decision more firm that, okay, I can pursue medicine, I can become a doctor. I think a student should choose Cleveland State University because it offers a wide range of opportunities here. The opportunities are always endless.